Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. Finally I'm back. I was working on this game from the past 4 months. That's why I was not uploading any video because I want to complete the game as soon as possible and I'm sorry for that. But now finally this game is complete and I have learned a lot of things in the process. I also want to share a lot of things which I have learned with you guys. If you are starting creating a game, you must see who is your target audience as well as who is your competitor. For the competitor, you can search on the Play Store and see other game of your genre. This will give you an idea how much time or how much polish you have to do for your game that make this game presentable, because user will not see how many months or how many days you have spent in your game. He will just see the output of your game. And this is the current version of the project. It took me around 1.5 months to create a logic, and for the rest of the 3 months I have created a small world around this game. Creating a game takes time and a lot of stress, because you have to convince yourself that you can create a game and not leave the process. A lot of game that you will start, you will leave that in the process. And now here comes my second voice. You have to be smart as well as you have to be dumb to create a game. In the starting you have to be smart so that you can think how will be the output, how many days you have to spend, how many hard work you have to do, and how will you deal with all the tasks for the game. But after deciding all this, you have to act as a dumb to create a game. You know, the most dumbest guy was this guy, Thomas Edison. He tries 1,000 times to create a bulb. For me, he's one of the best inventor. Coming back to the game, you have to act like dumb and you have to broad your mind and see all the different perspective, how your audience will see and how you will see. Because in the end, audience will analyze your game only on the output. And I have learned a lot of different things in this game. I have used scriptable object. All the levels in this game are scriptable objects. There are only 3 scenes. This will help me to reduce the size as well as the loading time of level, because when I have to change the level I just have to instantiate a new prefab and delete the old one. Most of the images in the UI is just a simple circle. With this, I have to think less about the UI assets. That will be very good for me. In this game, I am using AdMob. With this technique, I can show the AdMob as well as Unity ads at the same time. Unity ads as well as the Google ad will compete with each other. You will get the best revenue out of this. With the technique which I am using, you can add the AdMob in just 5 minutes in your game. It is not very time consuming. For now, this is the only thing which I want to share. You can write in the comment section what you think about this video. And if you're working on any game, best of luck for your game. Don't forget to share the game link with me. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.